guys are setting it up. He triggered it downstairs.
There hasn't been another unit that's done that.
I think it's interesting you guys make it talk now.
Huh?
You guys make it talk now.
Oh,
now.
those, yeah. Still going off, huh? Zach? I wonder why that is. Yeah, there's strobe flashing everywhere.
Yeah, I've got that one behind the painting, but
Does this say impaired?
I don't know.
Hey, Chris. They don't care. They're just gonna leave. I can't keep
Like, the only time it goes off, like, most of the time we'll trigger the smoke alarm and it'll just beep. But, if it's bad enough, it'll trigger these. And then we just have to, like, air out the area. So, I don't know.
Is that you going off downstairs?
Yeah, you started it downstairs. And then you triggered yours upstairs afterwards, but I don't know if it was just chain or what, but... Never a dull moment, right? No, these are so intense, I figured hanging my flag didn't matter much, you know? I have a painting over that one. I have, literally, see, these are the in-building ones. The out-of-building ones are the ones right next to it not blinking.
Were the, was that interconnect hooked up downstairs? Did you hook it up? Take it off. That one was off upstairs. Take it off and see? I think so. You take that off up on the top. Because there's things, because if they're not, interconnectable together, then they're not gonna be happy with each other.
Something you did made it stop.
Yeah, they must not be able to be hooked together.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I mean, this one should do the same thing. That's showing here. If they're not compatible with other ones that we hooked them up to, they're not going to be happy.
Great. Hopefully they sync, right?
I think this is a hearing impaired unit. That's why they have a lot of strobes. No other ones had a strobe on here.
What did it just say?
It just tells you what the carbon monoxide.
Oh, okay. So they're completely new. Huh.
Yeah.
But they still trigger the whole thing. It's good it triggers the whole thing, I think. Right? If it's supposed to do that.
A lot of wires on there. This is what happens. They take off and leave me behind.
I can get them.
I don't need them, they suck.
Oh, fair enough.
I said that out loud, didn't
Hey, I'm not going to hold it against you.
I?
I think they're the only ones you need to worry about on that one.
I don't have to worry about any of them, actually.
That's fair. Are you Thomas Chipman himself?
No,
Okay.
closer than either of them, I doubt.
Okay.
So, alright. Don't fall. Very good.
Thank you very much.
I'm glad that I figured something out because I couldn't leave it flashing like that, freaking out in here.
I have a bunny rabbit, so he's probably freaked the fuck out
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah, he's not very happy right now.
No, he'll be mad and he'll be like, "Where's my treats?" And I'll be like, it wasn't my fault. And he'd be like, "You let him in."
Blame it on me, he can look for me far from here.
Cool. We all done?
Yeah, all set.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Have a great day. Bunny. Hey. Cute stuff. Come here. Are you in here? Hey. There you are. It's okay. It's over. It's okay. It's all over. Come on. You coming out? Okay. Well, as long as I know you're okay.